Hello.
Hi, Krishna Raj.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
So this is Akshay Patil. I was calling
Akshay.
you on behalf of Lodha Group.
Oh, okay.
Right. So you had spoken with Monali, I suppose,
With
regarding
who?
our project, Monali.
I suppose so. I don't remember her name.
Okay. So you stay in Mumbai, sir?
Yeah, Borivali.
Okay, great. So we have launched our new tower.
Okay.
Okay, in NCP Vadala, New Cup Parade.
Yeah,
So you're
Tower
looking
11.
for this
Tower
location?
11.
Yes, right. So you're looking for this location?
I'm considering this location.
Okay.
Looking for it.
So
It's one of the
can
things
we,
I'm considering.
Monali, that you will be able to attend a online presentation of the project?
Yeah, wait, see, so someone told me about a pre-launch. Someone called to tell me about a pre-launch and all that.
Yes, it was a pre-launch, sir.
Yeah.
So it started on 18th of August. We started with our pre-launch. And what are you looking for, 2 or 3 BHK?
3 BHK or 2 BHK Jodi.
Okay.
About 1050 is the minimum thing I want. 1050 carpet. So
Okay. So I have a 3 BHK, which is a carpet area of 1,322 square feet.
oh, okay.
1322.
Got it.
Right? And we started on 18th August with a quoting price of 4.35 CR.
4.35 CR.
Yes, sir. And on 18th of September, we launched this product for our EOI customers. So from 18th August to 18th September, there were customers who visited and they gave us an expression of interest of 1,80,000 rupees. So we came up with a scheme for them where we waived off the stamp duty for these customers.
Yeah,
we waived off the GST.
I was told all that. I was told.
Right. And we gave them an all-in price of 4.06 for the first floor.
Okay, so this was for the people who visited on that day. I was told that there is a special price.
Right, sir, right. And we came up with a builder subvention also on top of that. So now the customers who have booked, they are getting they have to book and they have to pay 12.5% now. After 6 months, they have to again pay 12.5%. And then the remaining 75% will be taken after OC received. That is after possession.
Okay.
So the possession timeline is 1.5 years.
Okay. Possession timeline is 1.5 years. Okay.
Yes, sir. The building is ready. It's stopped completely. The internal work is going on. So we are expecting that within 18 months we will be delivering the property.
Okay. The building is ready, as in the
entire RCC structure is ready. Right.
Fully ready. Okay. How many floors totally?
So this is 37-story tower.
7 stories. Okay. Now, why are you calling it pre-launch if the building is ready? Why isn't it a launch?
So, sir, we started it as a pre-launch only, and then now we are in launch phase. So now, right now, when I'm calling you, it's a launch phase. Now we are taking the complete booking of the property. So previously, we were not taking booking.
Okay. So now you are not saying 4.06 or anything, right? Now you are saying 4.25.
No, 4.06 is the all-in price for first floor, sir, which includes your 2 car parks also.
Okay. So at that time, at the pre-launch, you only sold for the first floor. You only sold the first floor flats.
So, sir, I am just giving you a quoting price. So if you go for a higher floor, there will be a floor rise. So as I was quoting you 4.35 in the pre-launch stage, so in 4.35 today the customer is getting somewhere around 20th or 25th floor.
Okay.
Right.
Okay. Okay. Now let me get one thing straight first.
Sure, sir.
When I was searching, that's the reason actually I didn't come to the pre-launch.
Mm-hmm.
So I searched and I found there was a lot of controversy about Lodha New Cup Parade.
Okay. I get it.
So there was something about walls being not so strong and.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, definitely. So that was a controversy which was raised by the customers, no doubt. So I'll tell you about it, sir. So this was phase 1. So I have total 23 acres of land parcel in which we have 15 acres open spaces and amenities. Apart from that, we have 7 residential towers. Okay. In these 7 residential towers, my 4 towers are phase 1 and 3 towers are phase 2. So in the phase 1, we had a plan of 70-story tower. Okay. And
70.
so that is the reason, 70.
Okay.
So that is the reason we came up with a technology which was gypsum technology, which was used to make the building weight to be light. But then, as per government MMRDA rules, we got a permission up to only 40 stories. So we made that buildings in a gypsum technology. But in the phase 2, the current one, the new one, which I'm telling you right now, that is a complete concrete structure. So here the walls are different from what it was in the phase 1.
Okay.
And
so
we are definitely showing you the flat, not in the same building, but in the same in the phase 2 itself. I have another building which is just a similar structure.
So the gypsum technology failed, is it?
Sorry, sir.
The gypsum technology failed, is it? They showed that guy just,
So it was not a failure. Actually,
bashing up the wall.
frankly speaking, sir, it was a international technology which was used, but then our Indian customers did not accept that.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I will say, sir. Because we wanted a rigid thing, like as a customer, people were looking for something which is, unbreakable. But people, it is unbreakable, sir. But then people, they just use their hands hard and to show that it's a weak thing. But it wasn't a weak thing, sir. It was a technology used. That's what we'll say.
No,
but in right now, in the new phase, it's a concrete thing, sir.
That guy is not such a young chap.
Mm-hmm.
And just he bashed up the wall and he just tore it up and opened it from the other side. And
I know. I have seen that video, sir.
So how does it happen?
I'm telling you that.
Is he so strong or is the wall that weak?
So the walls are strong enough, but it is not that strong as compared to concrete. So concrete is a proper concrete thing, but in this it was a slabs which were used. So they were able to break those slabs with the hand.
The concrete.
But then again, sir, that is for phase 1.
That was concrete slab?
No, that was a gypsum technology, gypsum slab, which was used as a wall.
Okay. And what about all those, they were showing drain pipes coming in the bedroom and, there is a duct inside the bedroom and the toilet drain pipes are inside the bedrooms.
I will have to check on this, sir. I'm not sure about it.
Yeah. See that.
Okay.
There are drain pipes, toilet drain pipes. Okay, so there is something like a cupboard in the bedroom, and you open that cupboard, like a door in the wall.
Okay, yeah, I got it.
Okay, and you open it and you will see from up to down, straight from 40th floor or 45th floor or whatever it was.
Okay.
Straight down till ground floor. You got these drain pipes. The thing that comes out of the toilet.
Okay, it's like a duct you're saying. I get it.
Duct actually. That's a duct. You are right. So
I will have to check on this, sir. I will definitely, tell you about it, whatever it is.
So this building, does it have it or doesn't have it or what? In Tower 11, your bedrooms, do they have these ducts going through bedrooms?
I will confirm about it and let you know, sir.
Okay.
No worries.
Then there is another one which showed balconies where, again, you open a door and you got this sort of like a duct and you got spaces and gaps where, it's like you can just fall through. There are gaps where small animal maybe. Or maybe a thin
I got
person.
it. Something, a mobile or something like that. You are saying that it may go down.
Not just mobile. A whole human being can actually fall down. Straight down.
Frankly speaking, sir, since I've been working with NCB, I've never got such complaints. But I will definitely, check on this. I will check on this.
See, you send me a WhatsApp.
Mm-hmm.
I will send you the videos.
Okay, sure, sir.
I will send you the video.
Mm-hmm.
So this is my query.
Sure, sir.
I want to know what is the situation. Like, first of all, I was not able to believe my eyes.
I get it, sir.
Okay, so see, Lodha is a very good developer and all.
Right.
I said, how is this happening? How is this possible?
No, I understand, sir.
You
Your
know,
concern.
so then there's a lot of noise and lot of bad vibes about these things.
Okay.
So lot of discussion. In fact, so I was thinking of coming to your pre-launch. Then I saw all those videos. I watched. You know how YouTube works, right?
I know, sir.
You watch
Very
one.
well.
You watch
You
one
get
video.
all the other suggestions.
Exactly. So you watch one video. So actually, what happened? Your sales staff sent me. No, sales staff is the guy who phoned. By the way, you are Lodha sales staff or you are Lodha?
Yes, sir. Yes. Lodha sales staff.
You're not channel partner or anything.
No.
Okay. So the chap who called me last time, he sent me one video about Lodha NCPC, introductory video and all that kind of thing.
Right.
Which one it was, but I'm sure I have it saved. So the moment he sent me that video, I saw that video, and next thing what happens is there's another video, suggestions, and I just looked at it. There is that guy punching the wall, and then there's another video that is some lady.
The duct video.
Some lady talking about the wall being made of something very very thin. She's showing. See, if I put water, wall पिघल जाता है.
Achha.
And they are showing moss growing at the bottom of this thing near the bathroom. Moss is growing on the brand new flat, and they are showing there is sand. The floor में एक टाइल खुला है near the bathroom. और टाइल के अंदर हाथ डाल के ऐसा पूरा sand निकालते हैं. They take out sand with their hands.
Oh my God.
Okay.
I will have to see this, sir.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Then there was another video where he shows they inspected the basement. They went around. They tried to go to basement, parking basement.
Right.
And the watchmen are preventing them from going there and all. There is a lot of shouting in that video. The many watchmen are surrounded them and saying, "You have no right to come to the basement. You have no right to come to the basement." And she is saying, "It is my right. It is my right. I am a resident over here. This is where I am going to park my car." So they went around. They showed the carbon monoxide. There are some meters I think you guys have, and they're showing it's not working. The carbon monoxide meters are not working. So there's one video on that. So there's a lot of
issues.
Lot of things. There's something about the clearance of the basement ceiling. Head space.
Okay.
It's not enough head space. So if you touch if your car is kind of tall, maybe if it has a luggage rack or something like an SUV has a luggage rack.
Okay.
Then that might, if you put one or two suitcases there, then you might end up touching the
ceiling,
the beams or ceilings of the basement or the pipes or something like that. They were showing all that, and then there were some other residents saying that not enough space between cars. My door is opening and touching somebody else's car. If I open my door and come out of my car, then I can't walk properly between the vehicles. So, there's not enough space. So, lot of issues, so many issues raised by so many, some other residents also. I saw all that and I said, this is not, that was the reason I didn't come for your pre-launch. So,
okay.
In fact, not one person, two persons called me. But,
no problem, sir.
So if you want, I can send you WhatsApp or you can even search and find it.
I will just say hi to you on WhatsApp right away. Yeah. You send me all those things. I will evaluate all those and I'll let you know whatever the issues are, do really exist or not. I will definitely get it to you.
Tell me if these issues have been resolved or not.
Sure.
Okay. You have my WhatsApp number?
This is your WhatsApp number, sir?
Which is the number you phoned me on?
So I'm calling you on last digits are 114.
No, then this doesn't have WhatsApp. I'll give you my WhatsApp number.
Sure, sir. Please tell me.
Take it down.
Yeah. 816
947
947
1229.
1229.
Yeah.
Right. Okay.
Right.
I will right away message you, sir. Please
So,
revert on it.
send me a message. I will send you a few of the videos. Tell me what about those issues in the Tower 11 and all, and whether those issues have been resolved.
Sure, sir. Definitely.
Okay.
Yeah.
And let's look at it.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much, Krishna, sir.
Chalo, thanks.
Have a great day, sir.
You
Bye.
too. Bye-bye.
Hello, Krishna, sir.
Hi.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Yeah. So that sounds good. So what you are saying is that we can go and take a site visit at Altia.
Yes,
Okay.
Altia. It's my tower.
Altia Tower. So one of the towers.
Yes.
You are saying we can go and take a site visit of Altia, and
Yes,
we can confirm all the whatever product features are there.
Very
we can
true.
do a self-assessment.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can we also go to Dioro where this whole controversy arose?
Dioro, sir, not possible.
See, because the
Dioro
controversy arose in
it's a phase
Dioro,
1.
right?
Sir, but it's phase 1. I am showing you phase 2. And phase 2 is my Altia.
Okay.
Right?
Right. So we can check out Altia. Altia is in phase 2, is it?
Yes, sir.
So Altia, you can take us to different flats, not just one 4 flat.
I will check on that, sir. Not sure.
Check on that and let me know.
Yeah,
I'll tell you why.
Yeah. No, tell me, sir.
One 4 flat को एकदम makeup बना के लाली lipstick लगा के you can show. Okay. But if there are many flats, if we can take a site visit of empty flats. I don't mean show flat with furnishing and all that.
No, sir, not at all. Actually, what we are showing is just a delivered flat. The same flat will be delivered to you also and every customer. So this is not a sample flat or a show flat. It is just a flat which is in my tower, and we are showing it to our customers right now. It will be the actual thing you will get.
Okay. So we can go around the premises and see different flats.
Yes.
Okay. Now, can you also take us to Dioro Tower anyway?
Yeah, we can move around. We can go to the tower.
There will be some vacant flats there also. So what I want to understand, first of all, we have to understand the whatever quality issues have been raised, whether it's genuine or not. If all those people made the videos.
No problem.
It's one guy, of course. You get a lot of videos of one guy. But then, and this one lady.
Yeah,
right.
That is, that ma'am. So that ma'am has some issues, legal issues which are going on, which were going on, in fact, that time with the developer. And that is the reason the security guard had stopped them. But finally, they were left again. You can see they were left upstairs and they went to their rooms. So that is what it was. So it is not that we are stopping any other customers for any issues. But that was some legal issues that were going on. That's why they were stopped.
Right. So that is what I am saying. So we will be allowed to see the whole premises properly. Right?
Properly, sir.
No, sir, you can't go there. You have to only come here. You have to only see this. You can't go there.
No. Nothing like that, sir. We'll show you the phase 2 or phase 1, phase 2. But in phase 1, we can show you the entire building premises. We cannot take you to the building, inside the building, with the, to any other property. I can take you to Altia, which is the similar tower, and phase 2.
Okay. I'll see if I can find a friend or someone to take me to.
For sure, sir. That will be great. If you have connects here, then that will be great, sir.
Find a connect.
You can speak to them.
मेरे business circle में निकल के आएगा.
I'm sure, sir. Sir, you're into in education, right?
Printing publishing.
Printing publishing. Okay. No, actually, I got your number, and on Google, I think it's showing Krishna Rao
Education, yeah, I know.
class.
It shows education classes.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
that basically closed because it didn't work out.
Okay, okay.
So it stopped. It's just going to work out. Anyway, so
No
they
problem.
haven't updated.
Right,
And
right, right.
Just Dial doesn't update, and Just Dial फालतू का entry market update.
समझ गया मैं
I
सर.
get a lot of nuisance calls from people saying, sir, आप tuition classes posted to and all that.
Okay, okay, okay.
हाँ.
They must be searching in and around in Borivali or some location use case.
Yeah. You'll get that kind of nuisance.
No.
Anyway.
So, can we plan for tomorrow? Is a Saturday.
Tomorrow we can try. Bit difficult, but we can try.
Sure, no
We
problem.
can try because I am expecting. I'm thinking some guests are expected. If they don't turn up, which is because it is a sort of iffy. If they don't turn up, then I can come. If they turn up and they hang out for too long, then I can't come. So give me a call after 1:30.
Tomorrow.
Yeah. If the time gets freed up, then yes, I would love to do this.
Great.
Another thing I wanted to ask you. Just give me a second let me think, because when I read your WhatsApp, I had a few questions. Now there are also many other people. There are a lot of people who have made the videos. There are some couple of NRIs, including one guy in Britain.
Yeah, I saw that also.
Quality issues. Then
True. He has purchased in Lodha, Thane also, and he has purchased here also. That's what he said.
He says that
again, sir, he's again from the phase 1 itself.
Okay.
So phase 1, I agree, sir. We agree. Everyone here agrees that people were complaining about the quality, about the construction type, but it was again a technology used. So I'm sure you must have traveled a lot in your life. So you must have also seen out of India there is a technology which people are using. Even people are staying in wooden houses. But here in India, exactly. And in India, people are not accepting it. That's all. But what we have done is we have changed it completely, and in the next phase, which we launched, because we face so much problems, so much issues. So that's why we came up with this new. Again, we came up with concrete one. So here in my new tower, you won't face that issues. Apart from that, about the ducts will be closed. So if you will see that video again, sir, they have come to a flat which is not finished at all. So they have just shown flooring nikli hui hai. But
they have given possession. It's not finished, sir, they have given possession. So you mean
even I don't know. I'm not sure. Nobody knows, sir.
See, you are not
before or after.
Lodha policy is you don't get to take possession until you pay.
Right. Okay. True. Very true.
So once you are given, you also paid 100%. It means that the work is 100% done. Otherwise, why are you paying 100%?
No doubt, sir.
Okay. So
I'm sure
possession was given. That was, in fact, that came out in that video also. Possession has been given.
True.
And in fact, there is another guy.
No doubt.
There is another guy who's showing his balconies and all, and how kids can fall through.
Yeah. I saw that. I saw that too. So the ducts can be closed, so that is no issue. Apart from that, about the quality of walls, which is the major one, you come to the site, we'll take you to the flat and you take a look, and then you can evaluate accordingly.
Okay. And basement issues and all that were there. So we can see the basement, we can take inspection.
Basement one, I will confirm, sir. No worries. I will
issues were there.
No worries, sir. I will keep it as a special instructions to my managers, and they will definitely try to show you the basement also.
Because they talked about issues like headspace nahi hai.
I know, sir. But you will see, basically it's a 4-level basement. Okay. And we have complete 23 acres land parcel below which we have the basement. So ऐसा तो नहीं है कि place कम है, जगह कम है, जगह बहुत है, but हाँ height का अगर वो बोल रहे हैं तो सर जनरली आप देखेंगे पार्किंग है ना, पार्किंग में सर हाइट 10 फीट से ऊपर तो होती नहीं
बराबर है, लेकिन उसमें एयर सर्कुलेटर लगाने के लिए सी वो एक चीज समझ सकते हैं कोई. I mean, we are not having trucks here. We are basically driving SUVs at the most.
Yeah.
थोड़ा head space को संभाल लेंगे, head space को संभाल भी लेंगे. That's all right. If the overall project is good, I think you can make that small sacrifice. So that I'm not making it into a major issue.
Right.
The issue that was told and it was shown in the video is that air circulators के लिए जगह नहीं है, air circulation नहीं हो रहा है because वो air circulator के सामने बीम आ रहा है.
Okay.
थोड़ा सा because I have a science side background.
Right.
So I understand that part, that air
Mhm.
circulation in a enclosed space is very important. It is crucial.
Right.
Because you know, you have hundreds of vehicles sitting there in a closed
Mhm.
space with a low roof, which means very low volume of air.
So
Okay.
we have special chimneys which are fit in our project, and when you will come, you will see those chimneys easily. So don't worry about it. You come to the site, sir, tomorrow. We will, try to answer all your questions, all your queries. Probably we may try to, you might be, satisfied or not. That will be dependent on tomorrow's visit. So let's do it, sir. Because the more we'll discuss on phone, probably it won't be clear then. Sometime.
ठीक है, चलो कल देखते हैं. Give me a call around 1:30. Let me try.
Sure.
To get it. Okay.
Great, sir. Great.
Sure.
Thank you.
See you.
Bye, sir. See you.
Bye.
Yes, sir.
Akshay, hi. Akshay, याद आया. I was
बोलिए ना.
just discussing with my wife.
Mhm.
आपका जो application form है ना,
Mhm.
which I'll be filling up at site if I would like it,
Okay.
right? Send me copy of application form here.
Copy of application form for booking?
Booking form.
Booking form.
Or is it EOI? You're collecting expression of interest
No,
form,
no,
or
no.
you're collecting actual booking?
We are taking actual booking now.
Correct.
Yeah.
So because it is launch, right? It is not pre-launch.
Yeah, it is
If
a
it
launch.
was pre-launch, then you would be taking EOI, I think.
Right.
Okay. So the actual booking form जो है ना, just send me a copy of that, please.
Okay, I'll try to share it.
Because I need to do my homework before I come there. So
Sure.
what is mentioned in the booking form and all that, let me just read about that.
Sure, sir. I will definitely
ठीक
share
है.
it.
And because if I have any queries and all, I don't want to. पहले से मैं homework करके आता हूँ.
बिल्कुल. That will be better, sir.
Right? So just send me
Okay.
this thing booking form.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sir, and had you visited previously?
Long ago I had seen one site, वो भी actual delivery वाला था. I'm not sure Altia में ही होगा. I don't remember
Okay.
which tower it was. It was facing truck terminal.
Okay, long back, na? But
Long
not
back,
right.
at least 2018, I think.
Okay.
Middle of 2018.
No problem,
And
sir. No problem.
at that time I had seen some, ऐसा ही था, as you said, we are about to give delivery that way.
Okay.
It was one of those.
No problem, sir. Yeah.
So this one you just send me so that I can.
Sure, sir.
Okay.
Sure, I'll try to send you right now. Okay. Bye.